How to repair iPhone 12 mini no boot. Remove the protective foam padding. Let's locate its faulty part with Refoxbit bitmap. Measure the PP butt VCC to troubleshoot. Then it comes to PP VDD mainline. It short circuits with a significant drop. Identify the location with infrared thermal camera. Time to separate the motherboard. Where is the faulty part? Logic board or the signal board? Locate it with the rosin dispenser. Remove the faulty capacitor with hot air gun. Measure it again and it is totally normal.